Take a look at the 2019 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.